Hi everyone, welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to use our platform to build a website for your mattress store. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you're unfamiliar with the multi-site service, multi-sites is the easiest way to launch a one-page website. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. So once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. I'm now going to head to the top and search for my market, mattress store, and there it is over there. I'm now going to select that template. Great, let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our mattress store so it can generate a one-page website. I'm now going to put in my company name, Rochelle's Mattress below, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy customers from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business to retail and click on continue. Great, let's tell multi-sites how our customers can get in touch with us. Let's go put our phone number in as well as our email address. I'm now going to click on continue. Where is our place of business located, our mattress store? I'm going to go ahead and put in our street address as well as our postal code and click on continue. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. and we close at 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. We actually closed on a Sundays. And I'm now going to do a quick review and make sure everything looks good and move along. Look at that. Marty's House has literally generated a one-page website for me in less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. The beauty of multi-sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images and you can see they are all high quality. They are completely free to use. No licenses needed, no fees involved for the images. They are completely free to use. However, if you've got your own images of your bed, mattress store, of all the different mattresses you offer and you want to make one or two amendments to the content that's pre-written, you can do that and you don't need to know any coding whatsoever. It's super simple. So I'm going to be walking you through the process today from the top to the bottom through each section so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works. There's no coding needed. So I'm now going to click on update section at the top, and the first thing I'm going to do is make sure I click on show email and site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way, so your customers can easily get in touch with you. Let's make sure that's saved and head over to update social links. Now over here you can put in your various social media platforms so your customers can give you a follow, get some engagement going and see what you're up to. They will be displayed, the icons on the top right hand corner next to that email address. Let's move along. I'm now going to head to update section for the next one and click on update logo. If you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. There's a lot of free great options on there. But if you already have a logo, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. I'm now going to save my logo and it will be displayed over there in the top left hand corner. You can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is perfect, so I'm going to leave it just the way it is. Let's move along. Now, perhaps the colors used throughout your multi-sites page that have been pre-selected for you, I guess you can call this color like a royal blue. Perhaps it doesn't work with your branding, your signage throughout your business, throughout your mattress store. Maybe your colors are completely different when it comes to your logo and your business cards and everything that goes with marketing. So all you need to do is you don't need to know any color coding. All we need to do is click on this handy little paint bucket in the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different options available. Let's see this one. That looks great. So I'm now going to save that one. On to the next section over here again. As I said, pre-written content, image is pre-selected, but you can amend it. All you need to do is click on update section and head over to update image. Now, if you have your own images, go ahead and browse from your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library and choose one that is suitable for you. Now, you may need to play around with the terms a little bit that you are searching for, the keywords, and just see what pops up. So I'm going to try mattress, and there's a few free great options. I'm going to try this one. I'm now going to select that photo and save my image selection, and that looks really great. If you need to update the content, go ahead and change the title and subtitle. Perhaps you don't want your button to say get directions. Maybe you want it to say get in touch. We can now choose the link where that button goes to, so we can link to another website, or we can link to an action like click to call, directions, or click to email. So I'm going to do click to call for this one, but another one of my favorite options is to upload a PDF file. So perhaps you could upload a PDF of all your specials, promotions, maybe the different mattress brands that you stock. Pop it in a PDF file, so when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to the PDF file. Over here, another great spot for content about your mattress store. All pre-written button can link to various places. So go ahead and click on that update section button and make your changes. Over here, we made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, your mattress store, how you got into the industry, do you offer delivery, excellent prices, discounts, what materials, is it only high quality? Go ahead and put all the details over here of how your business came to be. Your customers would love to hear your story. If you need to make any amendments to that section, all you need to do is click on this handy little button over here. Over here, we've got another great spot for a high quality image. I'm perfectly fine with this one for now, so I'm going to leave it as is. But if you need to amend it to upload one of your own or search through the photo library, go ahead and click on update section over here. We've now made our way onto the services section. So over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services your mattress store offers. Do you have a delivery service? Do you have a returns policy if the customer is not satisfied with their purchase? Do you only offer mattresses, or can you buy pillows and accessories? Do you make custom mattresses? Those are all great points to put under the services section, as well as a great spot for another high quality image. If you need to make any last changes to your trading hours or your address from the initial ones, go ahead and update section over here. So look at that. It's literally taken me less than 10 minutes to go through my website for my mattress store, make the changes, choose the images, change the colors. I didn't need to know any coding whatsoever. I'm not even that tech savvy, and it was such a breeze. It's really affordable. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month for the service. And there is that free trial available for 7 days. You don't need to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So give it a go. You've got nothing to lose. See how it works for you and your small business. Now, if you have a custom domain, go ahead and connect your domain over here. You do have that option available, because we do understand with a professional website comes a custom domain. If you don't have a domain yet and you really want one to link your customers to that from your social media pages and on your business cards and stuff, to put a custom link, the great thing about it is I'm happy to let you know that you can now purchase your domain through Mighty Sites. We've made it even easier for you to get a domain now. So go ahead and click on that connect your domain button and try it out. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Whoops. And I really am wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any features you'd like to see, or if there's any suggestions, anything like that, we'd love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to leave a comment below, and don't forget the thumbs up for this video.